Hi, Alex Caldwell, Product Marketing Manager for Application Equipment here for Case IH in North America. Excited to be here with you today talking about Case IH's SenseApply. It's our first factory fit SenseApply solution coming on model year 26 Patriots and Tridents and on into the future here. We offer a number of live VRA services as well as green on brown selective spray. Our live VRA services include live VRA nitrogen, fungicide, plant growth regulators, harvest aids, and herbicides in the form of live VRA burn down, as well as green on brown spot spray and base plus boost application modes. It is a single cab mounted camera that sees about 50 feet in front of the machine, as well as about 140-foot swath width encompassing our entire boom offering. With that, for live VRA services, we can drive up to 25 miles per hour. With spot spray, we can go up to 19 miles per hour. And we're offering all of that with no per acre fees and no annual subscriptions. So it's a one-time purchase for this tech, lifetime unlocks tied to the device itself. We're also excited here to be announcing retrofit kits to be able to apply this technology back to model year 23 and newer Patriots and Trident combination applicators. For more information about SenseApply and all things Case IH application, please visit caseih.com or visit your local dealer.